Once, Durvasa Muni, a great mystic, who had heard about a great devotee named as Ambrish Maharaj, went to test him. Ambrish Maharaj was following Ekadashi Vrat, and when it was the stipulated time to break the fast, Durvasa Muni stepped in. Before breaking the fast, Ambrish Maharaj asked Durvasa Muni if he would like to eat something. Durvasa Muni chose to take a dip in the nearby river and then come back. Durvasa Muni purposefully chose to wait outside the river while Ambrish Maharaj's time for breaking the fast was getting over. Ambrish Maharaj then consulted the Brahmanas in his kingdom and decided to drink some water, which will not only break the fast but also keep the respect of Durvasa Muni. Durvasa Muni, seeing this, got very angry. He took one hair strand from his hair and put it on the ground and created a demon named Kritya, which went straight to kill Ambrish Maharaj. Ambrish Maharaj was standing fearless, remembering Vishnu. At that time, from behind his back came Sudarshan Chakra. It killed the demon named Kritya and then went straight for Durvasa Muni. Durvasa Muni, completely stunned, started running all around the place. First, he went to Brahmalok. Brahmaji said, I cannot do anything, please go to Lord Shiva. When he went to Lord Shiva said, I cannot do anything, please go to Lord Vishnu. When Durvasa Muni went all the way to Vaikunta and asked for help from Lord Vishnu said, Aham Bhakta Paradhino. I am controlled by the devotees who are in loving service of me. And the only possible way to save yourself is to go and ask forgiveness from Ambrish Maharaj himself. This is the loving nature of the Lord. Durvasa Muni went straight and fell at the feet of Ambrish Maharaj. Ambrish Maharaj naturally forgave him, and Durvasa Muni realized the strength in the humility of the devotees of the Lord. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.